You know, I made a video about the program a couple of years ago where the US Mint was looking for people to design this coin. And now I have one in my hands. I've actually had it for a while and I haven't opened the box, but I figured it was time to do a video and actually show it off on the channel. So we do have a 2020 Basketball Hall of Fame commemorative coin. As you see inside the fancy sleeve, it's your regular black US Mint silver dollar box. Opening it up, we have a certificate of authenticity. Let's take a look. Commemorative Coin Program, Proof Silver Dollar. Talks a little bit about it. We're not going to read the whole thing here. If you want to pause the video, feel free to have at it. You can see on the bottom, the obverse shows the designer of Justin Coons and the reverse of Donna Weaver. The obverse was the side that was for the competition. So I don't know if Justin Coons is like a professional or not, but I'm guessing that he won the design competition. I'll have to do a little bit of research about that one. I'll let you know. So I did a little research after the recording, and it appears that Justin Coons is a professional artist who has worked on many projects, including past US coin designs and AAA games such as World of Warcraft. Maybe there was no good public submission, or maybe the US Mint just didn't intend to use a public submission in the first place. But as you can see, guys, they have 400,000 of these minted across all options. That means proofs, uncirculated, etc. It's $1. It is 99.99% silver, or 99.9% silver, and the weight is 26.73 grams. So it's not an ounce of silver at all. Let's take a look at the coin. Here we go. Get the box out, flip her open. There it is, a 1 ounce silver, United States of America, E pluribus unum $1. So essentially she just took, you know, a basketball shape and a net and made it concave. Flip it over. As you can see on this side, you do have some basketball players going up for the ball. 2020, you have a guy in a wheelchair playing, as well as two guys not. You have the net for the background. It's a beautiful coin. There's your Philly mint mark right there above the 2020. It says, "In God We Trust and Liberty." That's it for the Basketball Hall of Fame unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time. Make sure you subscribe before you go. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I just want to quickly give a huge shout out to my awesome channel members. It's support like yours that make these videos possible. So once again, thank you. Guys, I left the video over there. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure you go and check that one out as well. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'd appreciate a sub if you liked the content. Otherwise, thank you again, and we will see you next time.